Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. आज की मेरी वीडियो जो है वो है comparison video between these two products right here, which is definitely one of the promising products from Maybelline, which is their Colossol Big Shot Mascara. And on the other hand, I have this newly launched Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara, which is recently launched in India. So I will be comparing both of these mascaras together in this video, along with the application on my eyelashes, so that you can make a fair decision before purchasing any of these. And of course, if you are planning to purchase a good quality mascara from Maybelline, then this video is definitely a must watch for you. So please make sure you're watching this video till the end to know my final verdict. And also guys, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shweta. Do subscribe to my channel for more such review videos, makeup tutorials and some random stuff. So please make sure you are hitting that subscribe button and also the bell icon to never miss a future upload from me. And now let's just get started with the video. Let's just take a moment and see this beauty out here. This is proper matte aqua blue color, and this is such a pretty packaging, and I am really impressed with the Maybelline's packaging. This time they have chosen the shape like this, and I'm really impressed. This is cylindrical in shape, but this area where this is black stripe is there, this is flat if you touch it, so this is very nice. On the other hand, if I talk about the Maybelline Colossol Big Shot Mascara, you already might be knowing about the packaging. This looks like this, that normal sort of shape which earlier mascaras used to come, and this is very metallic golden sort of finish, which is again very classy. First we will talk about the Colossol Big Shot Mascara. Now you are getting 9.7 ml of product for rupees 450, and this comes in two variants, which is one is washable and the other one is waterproof. On the other hand, this Total Temptation Mascara retails for rupees 525 rupees, and you are getting net quantity of 8.5 ml. And this comes only in one variant, which is the waterproof mascara. One of the major aspect of mascaras is definitely their brushes. First of all, let's just talk about this newly launched Total Temptation Mascara. Now this wand is quite long, as you can see, but one thing I liked about this wand is that, I don't know whether you can see or not, this is flat from here and this is curvy from this side. So when you just hold it like that, you get a very good control and grip to the wand. And the wand, the shape of the brush looks like this. Nothing too fancy or special, but this is what it looks. To see the brush of the Big Shot Mascara, there is no flat surface to hold. You have to hold it like this. Definitely more denser as compared to the Total Temptation one. I hope you can see that. First, let's just see the application of both of these mascaras.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. Let's start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
First, I applied this newly launched Total Temptation Mascara. I didn't feel that I am applying any chemical or anything of that sorts, because it was very nice, and I don't know why. My eyelashes were very comfortable with this mascara, and there was no clumpiness which most of the mascaras give you. It was feeling very nice and very smooth. I didn't feel any clumpiness or drying feeling of that sorts. I don't know about you, but in my whole life I haven't seen any mascara with a good smell, because most of the mascaras even from Maybelline only, they smell like chemical. Okay, also you can see that this side I have applied this Total Temptation mascara, and this one is way more voluminous as compared to the Big Shot mascara. I don't know whether you can see the difference or not, but this side is definitely way more voluminous and elongated as compared to this side. So I think this mascara is definitely worth trying. I just loved the volume, and it has elongated my eyelashes too much, and I think it is very, very nice. So yeah, this was Total Temptation mascara. On the other hand, I applied this Colossal Big Shot mascara. Now the wand is very nice, it is very comfortable, and it doesn't have any sort of fragrance in it. In terms of clumpiness, I definitely felt when I was applying the second application, it felt like it is becoming clumpy and drying, for at least for me. I don't know about you, but I felt little bit clumpier as compared to this side. If you talk about the volume and the length, you can yourself see that this side, which is the Big Shots mascara side, this is not as attractive as this side where I have used the Total Temptation one. So if I was given a choice, I would definitely recommend you guys to go for Total Temptation mascara, because if you're willing to pay 450 rupees for this Big Shot mascara, you can definitely go for this one, because this is very nice product. And I think you will not mind to purchase a waterproof mascara, because these days girls love waterproof mascara because they want long lasting effect. And I think packaging is very nice, the staying power is very good, it's waterproof, plus it gives you very, very good volume and length. So I think this mascara is one of the best mascaras till date I have used from Maybelline, because I have used all the variants from Maybelline mascara range. So I think you should definitely go for this one. But yeah, if you want to purchase this one also, this also does a good decent job. Till the time I got this mascara, I was a very, very big fan of this mascara, but now I have a better option with me, so I will definitely be using this one way more than this one. So yeah, this was my short and sweet review about these two mascaras. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.